Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and what have we got for you? Well, we got a blast from the past this week. This was one that I've been asked to do a little update vid on because I built this a wee while back in the days before I started YouTubing, and this was the one that started the ball rolling with a few people to convince me or bully me into doing YouTubing. And it's the Boothill Express, another little monogram kit, but I did mine in a wood effect, and it was the wood effect that kind of got people going and were keen on how I did it and all of that lot. So it turned into something completely different. Goes to show you how long ago it was that I built it. It's still got the kit chrome on it, which is something I've changed now, if I'm honest, and dare I say it, this little Boothill might end up getting revisited so that the chrome can be treated, because yeah, it kind of spoils it a bit. But yeah, you've got wood effect on the back doors, you've got all the lights and everything on it, and then you come around the other side and again you've got the same wood effect going on. So yeah, it's a little dusty and a little bit, yeah, because it's been on the shelf up there. But and instead of having the skeleton stood beside the car leaning against the gravestone, I just stuck the gravestone up on the front and used it as a bit of a front bulkhead and sat him down driving it. So yeah, I kind of had a bit of a play with it. But yeah, that's the little Boothill build that folks kind of enjoyed that I did. I just moved my camera. Folks kind of like that. I know Tony down at Elgin, he saw the pictures of that and he was like, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? How'd you do the wood? How'd you do that? You know, can I see the video on your channel? And me being Captain Innocent, I'm like, I haven't got a YouTube channel. So yeah. So that's a Boothill Express, folks. Again, another little monogram kit that if you can get hold of is worth doing. It's, you know, it's monogram. You don't get hyper detail, don't get me wrong, but you can do the detail with your painting, your weathering, and just using your imagination, and you can come up with something that looks actually quite nice. Again, what kills it for me is the kit chrome, but that's just me being fussy. I'll probably end up redoing it at some point, so look out for that. I might do it as a Boothill rework or something like that. So it is on the radar to do, because yeah, it's kit chrome in it. So that's another little build update for you folks. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye bye for now.